Okay, so this is going to walk you through how to print. So certainly you can connect this printer by a number of different ways. You can put it on a network, you can utilize the Wi-Fi settings and put it on your network. In fact, this printer will even act as its own hotspot, and then you can connect to it that way. However, because and a lot of these would be great for a permanent installation, because this one is moved so many different times between different schools, we actually recommend using the USB stick that should be found in this little case. And what you're going to do is you're going to build and save your print jobs on here, and then you're going to come and plug it into the machine. Click on the little file folder here. Now you will notice that there are some files that have been pre-installed on this printer, and if I click on the USB folder, I can then find additional print files, and that's going to be the best way to load and run print jobs, is to use this little USB stick. To unmount it, you come in here to Utilities, Options, and Unmount USB, and then you can remove USB stick. I haven't tried doing that while print job is running, so I've just left it in there while the print job is running, so something to keep in mind.